7 songs in 6 days, and I'm here to teach you King of the Road. And I did get the chords and lyrics out of the Daily Ukulele. This is a book by Jim Beloff. It's got 365 songs. Really awesome. But there's no strumming patterns, so I'm teaching you the ones I use and how I made the song come alive for me. King of the Road only has 3 chords. It has a G chord, a C chord, and the easy D7, which is here. What I'm doing in the verse part, where you go, trailer for sale or rent, I'm using a strum, which is down, down, up, down, up. And I'll do that way more slowly so you can see it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then, of course, the song is faster, so you have to work on that until you get it. The 8th notes are also kind of swung, meaning that it's a little bit, instead of being all even, it's, but still the pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then in addition, to make it sound a little bit cool, I'm doing a little bit of a chunk. So what I do is not only strum down, but when I strum, I actually hit the strings with the heel of my hand. And that gives a percussive sound. I don't do it all the time. I do it part of the time. In the bridge, which is the part that goes, I know every engineer on every train, I wanted to make it kind of sound like a train, so I'm actually just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up with a chunk. So on the down, I'm allowing the heel of my hand to hit, and then the up is normal. And that gives it a sound sort of like a train. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let at 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of push and broom buys an 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. Bird box car, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suit and shoes, I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found, short but not too big around. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. I know every engineer and every train, all of the children and all of their names, and every handout in every town, and every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. I sing trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let at 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of push and broom buys an 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. And if you enjoyed that, be sure to like this video. You can also go to Amazon and purchase one of our books where we teach you how to play the ukulele and how to sing and how to strum, all of which is helpful when you're going to learn songs. You can also go to our blog, ukulele.io, where we have a lot of information about ukulele. You can like us on Facebook. Thanks so much.